Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for August. This month's theme is Return to the Wild. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam Bag features a geometric pattern of squares and triangles with a matching green tassel zipper. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops, One Kind Ultra Brightening Eye Balm, Give Them Lala Beauty Brow Gel, Farah Sunkissed Bronze Eyeshadow Quad, and the Ciate Wonderwand Lipstick. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Perfume Oil, Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Toner, Estate Cosmetics Most Wanted Lip Balm, Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Eyeshadow Palette, and the Ciate Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Murad Essential C Toner. This retails for $42 and claims to balance the skin's natural pH balance and rejuvenate environmentally stressed skin. It smells just like orange juice and feels really refreshing. Next, I'm applying the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I've received several samples of this from Ipsy and I actually use it multiple times a week. I love the instant glow that it gives to the skin. After that, we're trying out the One Kind Ultra Brightening Eye Balm. It has this type of applicator which is usually found on lip balm. I'm not a big fan because I can feel a little bit of tingling and I just get worried about having some sort of reaction. For the final step in my skincare routine, I'm applying the Estate Cosmetics Most Wanted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Cuffed. It doesn't have any color to it, so it's just your typical lip balm, but I will say that it's very nourishing. To set my brows, I'm using the Give Them Lala Beauty Brow Gel. We've received a lot of brow gels lately, so let's see how this one holds up. I'm applying this directly onto my brow hairs in short upward strokes. Unfortunately, the formula is really wet, so it's causing the product underneath to smear. Now let's take a look at the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Eyeshadow Palette. This 10-pan palette retails for $37. Let's swatch it. The name is fitting. It has so many nice berry shades. Now let's create a look with it. First, I'm dipping into the shade called Berry Bouquet. I'm applying this to the crease. This is a really nice transition shade that every palette should have. Next, I'm grabbing the shade called Glam Berry. I'm applying this to the outer V. This shade is really pigmented. Now I'm taking the shimmery shade called Berry Champagne. I'm applying this to my lid. It definitely goes on best using a finger. It's so sparkly, I love it. Now I'm picking up the shade called Glam Berry once again and mixing it with the shade called Muted Mulberry. I'm packing this on to my bottom lash line. Finally, I'm using the shade called Berry Bright. I'm applying this to the inner corner of my eye. Just brings the whole look together. Now I'm testing out the Ciate Fierce Flicks Precision Tip Liquid Liner. This comes in black and brown shades and I received the black. The tip is actually pretty large, so it's kind of hard to get a thin wing. Finally, I'm applying the Ciate Wonderland lipstick. This is in the shade Sunday, which is a deep rose color. It matches the berry eyeshadow so well, but it is quite a glossy formula, so I'm worried that it might wear off gradually. Here's the finished look using products from both the August Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.